This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Spacious family home seeking new owner, desirable location, tree-covered lot and just a short stroll to Sikes Lake walking trail. This home features a sprawling floor plan, 3 living areas, sizable master suite with private bath plus 2 closets and a shared Jack and Jill bath between the secondary rooms. Plus 2 half baths for guests. Several major updates are, roof, HVAC system and both water heaters. Tons of storage. Bring your family and make this house your home today. For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.